Sugarcane is a staple crop in India's agricultural sector, accounting for the majority of the country's sugar production and, providing livelihoods to millions of farmers. With a favorable tropical climate, the country produces hundreds of millions of tons of sugarcane every year. But how are these green stalks grown, cultivated, harvested, and processed into pure sugar? Discover the entire journey in the video below. The sugarcane growing journey begins in the spring when the soil warms up and farmers prepare the land for planting towards the end of each month. Healthy, disease-resistant cane stalks are selected as seed cane and are cut into precise lengths using specialized machines. These machines can cut up to 200 cane stalks per minute. Once cut, they are placed in the soil using automated planters that can cover up to 20 hectares of farmland in just one day. After planting, sugarcane enters a critical growth phase that lasts nearly 12 to 16 months. During this time, precise care is essential. Thanks to smart irrigation systems, each field receives just the right amount of water based on real-time weather data and soil moisture sensors. Compared to traditional flooding techniques, these systems reduce water use by up to 50%, making farming more sustainable. So sustainable sugarcane is, susceptible to a variety of pests and fungal infections that can severely reduce yields. Farmers therefore use specialized spray equipment, including drones and automated sprayers, to apply pesticides and herbicides accurately and safely. Weed control is a real challenge as weeds can significantly impact plant growth and yield. To combat this, farmers use mechanical weeders to clear the land without damaging the sugarcane. After about 12 months of growth, the cane reaches full maturity and is ready to be harvested. Traditionally, farmers would burn the dried leaves before harvesting to make cutting easier, but, environmental regulations have led to a shift to greener methods. Today, mechanical harvesters are widely used. Each harvester can process up to 100 tons of cane per hour, an incredible speed that makes large-scale farming possible. These massive machines are equipped with high-speed rotating blades that cut the cane close to the ground to maximize the stalks that can be harvested. The harvested cane is then fed through a conveyor system that removes leaves and other unwanted material before cutting the stalks into smaller pieces. This remaining organic material is returned to the field to decompose, enriching the soil and retaining moisture for the next planting cycle. After harvesting, the cane is trucked to nearby sugar mills for processing. The process begins with the cane being weighed and unloaded before being fed into a shredder, which cuts it into fibrous pieces. These pieces are passed through a series of heavy-duty rollers to extract the cane juice, which is the raw material for making sugar. The juice is initially cloudy and contains impurities, so it undergoes a clarification process in which lime is added and the mixture is heated. The impurities coagulate and are removed, leaving a clearer, sugar-rich liquid. The clarified juice then moves to the evaporation stage, where it is boiled under vacuum to form a thick syrup. This syrup is further crystallized by spinning it in a high-speed centrifuge to separate the sugar crystals from the remaining molasses. The raw sugar is then dried in a rotary dryer and stored for further refining or direct shipment. The refining process transforms raw sugar into the pure white crystals found in homes and commercial kitchens. These are again centrifuged, dried, graded by size and packaged for sale. By the end of the process, the towering stalks of sugarcane have been transformed into shiny granules of sugar ready to sweeten foods and beverages around the world. In fact, over 70% of the world's sugar comes from sugarcane. With over 30 million tons of sugarcane harvested annually around the world and advanced processing systems that turn raw sugarcane into refined sugar in just a few hours, it is no surprise that India ranks as one of the world's top sugar exporters. So, the next time you stir sugar into your morning coffee or bake your favorite dessert, just remember the extraordinary journey behind that sweetness. If you enjoyed this journey through the world of sugarcane farming, be sure to like the video, leave a comment to share your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating farming documentaries. Welcome to our agricultural community.
Today we will explore the remarkable journey of turning various fruits into delightful juices. We'll take you through the harvesting and processing of pomegranates, apples, lemons, and aloe vera. Each fruit has its unique characteristics, and the process of transforming them into juice is carried out with meticulous care, ensuring freshness and quality. Join us as we dive into the world of fruit juice production and discover how these natural gifts are prepared for export to global markets. Let's start the journey with pomegranates, a fruit renowned for its vibrant colors and numerous health benefits. Pomegranates are harvested when fully ripe, typically when their skin shifts to a deep red or golden yellow hue. The harvesting process is primarily done by hand, as farmers must handle each pomegranate with great care and precision to avoid damaging the fragile skin. Even a small scratch can impact the quality of the seeds inside. The harvesting process is primarily done by hand, although modern machinery can occasionally be used to assist. Farmers must handle each pomegranate with great care and precision to avoid damaging the fragile skin, as even a small scratch can impact the quality of the seeds inside. After harvesting, the fruits are transported to the processing plant where they undergo thorough washing to remove any dirt or impurities. Once cleaned, each pomegranate is inspected and damaged fruits are discarded, ensuring that only the highest quality pomegranates proceed to the next stage. Next, the pomegranates are pressed to extract the juice, and this process is carried out with great precision. The juice is filtered through a special system to remove seeds and pulp, resulting in a smooth and pure liquid. After that, the juice enters the refinement stage, which enhances clarity and quality, preparing it for the next steps in processing. Quality control is an extremely important phase where the flavor and consistency of the juice are carefully checked to ensure it meets the highest standards. Once everything is approved, the bottling process begins. Bottling is done with care to ensure the juice is sealed properly to maintain its freshness. This process prepares the pomegranate juice for export, where it can reach consumers worldwide. Each year, leading pomegranate exporting countries like India and Iran ship millions of bottles to markets across the globe. Now let's shift our attention to apple juice. While apples are commonly eaten fresh, they also produce a delicious juice. The apple juice journey begins in the orchards, where apples are harvested at their peak ripeness with bright colors and sweet flavors. Apples are often harvested by hand to ensure the highest quality, with farmers gently twisting each apple off the branch to avoid scratching or bruising the skin. However, with advancements in technology, modern machinery has been introduced to the harvesting process, increasing productivity while maintaining quality. Harvesting machines move along the rows of trees and gently shake them to collect ripe apples without damaging the tree or fruit. After harvesting, apples are quickly sorted and packed into crates, then transported to storage or processing facilities, ensuring they retain their freshness and nutritional value. At the plant, apples undergo a thorough washing and filtering process to remove all impurities. Once cleaned, they are transferred to a crusher. This crusher is specifically designed to extract the juice efficiently, maximizing the amount of juice obtained while preserving the fresh, natural flavor of the apples. The fresh apple juice is filtered a second time to remove any remaining pulp. To extend its shelf life while retaining its delicious taste, some natural additives may be included. However, strict quality control ensures that these additives only enhance the product without compromising the apple's natural freshness. Before bottling, the juice as a final taste test to meet the desired flavor profile. The bottling of apple juice is swift and efficient, aided by modern machinery. Once bottled, the juice is ready to be shipped worldwide, delivering the crisp, fresh taste of apples to consumers everywhere. Now, let's explore the journey of lemons, a fruit prized for its tangy flavor and refreshing juice. Lemons are carefully harvested by hand to avoid bruising their delicate skin. Farmers gently twist each lemon from the branch, ensuring only the ripest fruit is picked. After harvesting, lemons are washed thoroughly to remove any dirt or residues. They are then sorted for quality before being sent to the juicing facility. In the processing plant, lemons are pressed to extract their vibrant juice. The juice is filtered to remove seeds and pulp, resulting in a clear, tangy liquid ready for bottling and export. Quality control experts carefully test the lemon juice for flavor, acidity, and clarity, ensuring it meets the highest standards before bottling. Once approved, the lemon juice is bottled using automated machinery, with each bottle sealed to preserve freshness and flavor. Finally, the bottled lemon juice is packed and prepared for export, reaching consumers around the world who enjoy its refreshing taste. Aloe vera juice is becoming increasingly popular worldwide due to its health benefits, and the careful processing ensures that all of its natural values are preserved. The journey of aloe vera juice begins in the fields, where mature aloe vera leaves are carefully harvested by hand to avoid damaging the precious gel inside. After harvesting, the leaves are thoroughly washed to remove any dirt or residues, ensuring only the cleanest leaves proceed to processing. Next, the leaves are carefully filleted to extract the clear, nutrient-rich gel, which is the key ingredient for aloe vera juice. The extracted gel is then filtered to remove any remaining fibers or impurities, resulting in a smooth, pure liquid. Quality control specialists test the aloe vera juice for purity, taste, and nutritional content, ensuring it meets strict export standards. Once approved, the aloe vera juice is bottled and sealed, ready to be shipped to health-conscious consumers worldwide. And that concludes today's video. The journey from the farm to each bottle of juice is a testament to the hard work of farmers, ensuring the best product reaches consumers. Thank you for watching this farming documentary. If you have any thoughts or questions, we would love to hear from you. Leave a comment below, share your favorite juice, or let us know which production process you'd like to see next. And don't forget to share the video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on more exciting content coming soon.